So what's up mga kasangkay, it's been a while. Ngayon lang uli ako ngayon na lang uli ako makakapag tawag nun. Ano na? Makakapag-vlog. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-update ng vlog ko kasi medyo nabibisi. So, ayan, kagaling ko lang sa trabaho, uwi ko lang. And meron tayong lakad ngayon. I'm going to attend a concert. Concert! Eto yun, oh. Yun, the script. Very first time na makaka-attend ako ng concert, ng international, tapos libre. Yan, you heard it right, libre. Kaya medyo sa totoo lang medyo masamang pakiramdam ko ngayon. Ayun nga, kanina nga doon sa trabaho medyo not feeling well talaga ako. Parang sisipunin or magkaka-flu ako. Pero laban. Kasi sayang opportunity, at saka mamimit ko rin yung pinsan kong Hollywood. And then ano pala siya, British, yun, Briton. So mamaya imimit natin siya. So yeah, kararating ko lang, prepare muna ako. So yung mga kasangkay, get ready with me. Ayun! Pogi ka, boy! Hindi. Syempre, kailangan natin mag-ready para prepare naman tayo bago makarating dun sa concert. And then, yeah. As you can see, topless na ako kasi magme-merienda lang ako. Then, liligo na. Afterwards, biyahe na tayo para hindi tayo malate sa call time. Ayan.
Meanwhile,
Ready na ako pero struggling pa ako sa pag-book ng Joyride. So yun, book na tayo para hindi tayo malate. So ayun na nga, inaabot na ako dito ng dilim. Wala pa yung binukong nakakahiya naman dun sa sa pinsan ko. 7 PM kasi akong call time, sana makarating ako on time.
one eternity.
So yun, time check. 7:46 and nandito na ako sa venue. I-meet ko na sila. Yes. Yay! Hello.
Kamusta ka, Jomar?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello to your vlog. Guess what? Do you want to see something very exciting for your vlog? So, of course, hello everyone. We are here at Araneta Coliseum.
And we're going to watch
And we're going to see the script. But more importantly, it's amazing to have my family here to come see the band.
Yes.
Obviously, I don't sing, I just make the videos and the photos. But I also, for you, my friend, because you are a singer, I got you a little signed present from the band.
Really? This is...
Yeah,
From them?
from you. So look,
Oh my God.
it's a signed set list and he's designed it, and Danny, the singer,
Oh my...
to Jomar.
This... You're the one who wrote that my name?
So that's from...
Oh my God. I don't know how to explain my... my feelings right now.
Signed by Danny,
I'm trembling.
the singer. For you, to Jomar.
Oh my...
Danny.
This is my first time seeing international.
It's the best. It's the best show. It's the best.
Yeah.
You're gonna have such a good time. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Come on, it's gonna be cool. Come on, let's
Thank
go.
you, Kuya Man. Thank you.
Meanwhile,
Meet my cousins. Say hi. Si Kuya ayaw talaga makita.
Oh, yun.
May bayad daw, sinisingil nila ako. Ayun o. Thank you. I see, the CEO of the family.
Yung ganda ko dyan sa camera.
Ay, talaga ba? Maganda rin naman talaga ikaw sa personal. Oy, ini-spoil ko na maganda talaga yung CEO of the family.
Vlog ba yan?
Yeah. Mag-vlog tayo. So ayun ang mga kasangkay, nandito na tayo sa Araneta. This is my second time around, pero napaka-special ng set ng ng upuan namin. Ang lapit. Ang lapit, oh, tingnan nyo. O, di ba ang lapit? Oh, saan ka pa? Tsaka libre lang to. Kaya, yes, international ano pa to, international concert ng The Squid. Tapos ang lapit-lapit pa namin sa performer. I-tutor ko kayo sa ano, tutor ko kayo sa buong venue, sa buong Araneta. Hi. Wait, pass the camera, pass the camera, pass the camera. Pass the camera. Say hi to vlog.
Hi guys! Vlog takeover!
Hi guys!